Key memorandum. It's not the first memorandum that we've handed over to you. And aniyenzi next ngama memorandum. So asithemba ukuthi mhlambe namhlanje ngoba kunobaphakela noba bungizwe ngizophakama. Nenze something. Ngoba siyazi ukuthi nje kuyathikwa nje kuphela. Niyoyithatha bese nanitshopela ngale akusayizwa lutho ngayo so siyaniqela. Asifuna ukuthi size sizithathele umthetho ezandleni ngoba nina ningafuni ukusebenza. This is a joint memorandum to the South African Police Services, which is SAPS. It is submitted by Xolani Khumalo Foundation, Insizwa Zobunsizwa Development Foundation, Gauteng Anti-Crime Units, in partnership with Tembisa Community Forum. The memorandum is handed over to Brigadier Nguna. Copied, it's the Minister of Police, Minister of Home Affairs, National Commissioner of SAPS, Gauteng Provincial Commissioner, Ekurhuleni District Commissioner, Community Policing Forums. Ifundeka kanje ke le memorandum esibanikeza yona. Ngicela ninibekezeleni indenyana ne. It says urgent demand for action against illegal immigration, human trafficking, drug trafficking, organized crime, and their impact on community safety and unemployment. Intro yakona, we the undersigned community organizations and anti-crime structures submit this memorandum on behalf of residents who continue to raise serious concerns regarding illegal immigration, human trafficking, drug trafficking, organized crime, and the increased social economic challenges facing South African communities. Our community concerns were to ATI. Communities have expressed growing frustrations regarding the continued presence of undocumented foreign nationals residing and operating in our country. Human trafficking and the exploitation of vulnerable people, the widespread distribution and sale of illegal drugs in our community, organized crime syndicates operating within our townships, rising unemployment and economic exclusions affecting South African citizens. Angeke ngiwathebule, I think semwashilo ukuthi ame kanjani. Ama demand wethu athi, we call upon SAPS, Home Affairs, and all relevant law enforcement agencies to intensify lawful operations targeting organized crime, drug trafficking, and human trafficking. We demand that SAPS conduct lawful verification operations in partnership with the Department of Home Affairs. We demand that enforcement of immigration legislation consistently and without fear or favor. We demand the investigation of business suspected of operating unlawfully or employing individuals in contravention of labor and immigration laws. We demand strengthening of border management and intelligence-led operations against criminal syndicates. We demand increased visibility in crime, police visibility in crime hotspots and affected communities. We demand to establish regular engagement platforms with community stakeholders, including TCF and anti-crime organizations, and provide public feedback on actions taken to address these concerns. Ngokuyivala, ngizothi, the Tembisa Community Forum is the important stakeholder within the community, together with the anti-crime organization and community development structures, remain committed to working with SAPS and government institutions to promote community safety, social stability, and lawful compliance. We respectfully request a formal written response outlining the interventions and plans to address these concerns. Bengicela iballpen ke ukuthi baba kwazi ukusayinela asho ukuthi uyitholile angithi nimbonile uyitholile. Ngicabanga ukuthi sengicedile.
Sayina le.
Wona kuzoba yethu. Yeah, akasayine kule.
Hayi wonke umuntu epolice station yaphi lapho ngoba size la. Niyaphi. Uyani?
Bayamlandela. Uphakela. Community buyang, likasikhapi umuntu ko toilet, come back. Phakathi 1632. Hayibo.
Lele design
Go back,
Yeah.
Wela go the other page.
We memorandum ya Hawaii ba tlo re sign.
Jabon, and now for Nahan. Here come, I think it comes. Just sign a moment first. It's fine. Because sign a date and page. Yeah. Because I think we missed out the space. Don't let him sign on the blank page.
Brigadier Nkuna is signing the memorandum, which means he's acknowledging this memorandum.
Yeah, mnikimaki njakhuluma.
Siyabonga Brigadier mhlambe ungathanda ukubulisa na uthi fahla fahla.
Awume kancane. Sanibonani. Ninjani? Bengicela ukubulisa abaholi nomphakathi wonke. I-memorandum ngitholile ngisayinele and I acknowledge zonke i-concerns eziraiswe kule memorandum. And ngifuna ukunitshela ukuthi thina esamaphoyisa masebenza sodwa ngeke sikwazi ukulwisa le crime. So i-community